Seedream 5.0 Lite is now in FLORA. Get stable iterations across multiple variations, high detail images up to 3K, strong text for posters and covers, and connect up to 10 reference images while keeping characters and objects locked in. Here are some use cases of Seedream 5.0 Lite. Get stable variations when you tweak prompts while keeping everything else the same. Start from an original image and simply change your prompt. Get high detail images up to 3K resolution. Choose the resolution option on the top right parameter bar. Create posters and magazine covers with stylized text. Drag out a text node from the image and ask for an image prompt for a magazine cover featuring the character. Create an image node and set it to Seedream 5.0 Lite and generate. Connect up to 10 reference images while keeping characters and objects consistent. Connect all the images to a text node and ask for an image prompt for all of them in one editorial shot. Create an image node and set it to Seedream 5.0 Lite and generate. Compare Seedream 5.0 Lite with Nano Pro using our new multi-model select feature. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.